Welcome. Today we're going to walk through setting up and using the Mega Volume Discount app for your Shopify store. First, let's create a new volume discount. We'll name it Test and keep the default options now. Let's apply this discount to the denim top. Next, we'll need to add it to the product page. You might notice it appears semi-transparent at first. That's because it wasn't initially configured for this product. Let's quickly update the product to include the discount. Perfect. Now as you can see, the discount is visible. Let's save our changes and head to the storefront to see it in action. Here it is. Let's add it to the cart now. Observe how the discount adjusts based on quantity. For a single item, there's a 10% discount. However, there's no discount for 2 items. For 4 items, there's a 15% discount. And for 6 items, it's a 20% discount. Now let's proceed to checkout. You'll see the savings